Hey guys, it's Lisa here, and welcome back to my channel. I know many people from the Bitmoji Craze for Educators group that I help to moderate have recently been voicing concerns about a few topics. The first being that their districts have recently decided not to allow the use of Bitmojis and that they wasted so much of their time creating these beautiful classrooms that they now cannot use. Another common issue is people voicing concerns that they're not able to use the Bitmojis to get a true representations of themselves. So what I'm trying to say is that they can't get them to look enough like themselves. So if your Bitmoji is the problem and you're actually allowed to use interactive classrooms, I have a solution for you. This video is going to demonstrate how to throw yourself into these beautiful cartoon worlds that you have created by turning yourself into a GIF or turning your daughter into a GIF like I have for this video. You can also use a non-animated version of yourself by following the video that I have linked in the description of this video, where my daughter helps me to demonstrate how to take the background out of a photo of yourself. So you see here in my example I have up on my screen is my daughter sitting behind a desk and she is waving. So if you're not allowed to use Bitmoji or you're not happy with the way your Bitmoji looks, it would be super cute to turn yourself into a GIF. You can have the GIF sitting there, you can just put your head over to the side, you can be waving, you can be jumping up and down in excitement, okay, especially if it's an introduction, kind of like meet the teacher type of project that you'd be working on. I've seen a lot of really great projects like that in the group as well. But in order to do that, I am actually going to be casting my phone screen to the computer. You do not have to do this for the process. People ask me all the time, how do I cast my phone screen? It's not necessary for this. I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing on my phone, because some of the process I have to actually use my phone to do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just minimize my page and I'm going to pull up my phone screen. Okay, this is just going to take a second to connect. In advance, I have pre-recorded a short little video, probably about 5 seconds, of my daughter sitting on our recliner in my living room. I chose that because it's a nice solid background and it's easy for the website to take it out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to a website that's called unscreen.com. Okay, and I'm just going to go to where it says upload clip. And I'm going to choose files. Okay, my video of her is right here. And it's going to start uploading. You'll see little by little, it'll turn from a non-moving image to my GIF. She'll begin waving. I'm going to start to scroll down a little bit as this finishes loading. Okay, just finishing up. 100%, there you go. And there's my little Rosalie, she's waving to everybody. Okay, and then from here, I'm just going to come to download, hit that little triangle for the drop-down menu, and I'm going to select GIF. Okay, compositing and encoding. None of that really matters because it's just going to be saved to your phone, in other words. Okay, and there it goes. So it's on my phone, perfect, not a problem. So now from there, I'm going to go into my gallery. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back to my main screen just so you see it. It's under my downloads, so this is where mine is. Okay, and there she is. She's waving, perfect. I'm gonna go to, now I have a Droid. If you have an iPhone, just go to wherever your files are saved, your downloads on your phone. Some say that it's under files, some say that it goes into memories. Once you find it and locate it, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna hit that share icon and you're gonna just send it to your drive. Okay, I wanna make sure that it's going to the correct place. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Okay, from there, you see she's waving, she's saying goodbye. I no longer need my phone. So we're going to close that out and I'm going to go back into my project. Okay, now I can just temporarily delete this Rosalie here. And I'm going to go to insert. And then from here, I'm going to hover over images, slide to the right, and go to my drive. And I'm going to left click on my drive. Okay, here is the image that I just uploaded. This is my GIF. So if I just left click and then drag it over, you'll see she's moving. This is perfect. The GIF is functioning. Okay, and I can just hit the control button and hit my down arrow until she goes behind the layers that I need her to go behind. And right there is perfect because she's still in front of the posters, but she's behind the desk and the computer and the apple. And then just to make it a little more realistic, I can go ahead and I can minimize her a little bit and then put her behind the desk. And there she is. Okay, put this into present mode, see what it looks like. You could do full body versions of this if you want and have them standing in front of the blackboard pointing. Okay, you can kind of look like Vanna White from Wheel of Fortune. It's up to you. Have fun with this. I can't wait to see all the creations that you've done. And I hope that this might solve some of the aggravation that you've all been having. If you've been feeling a little disappointed about not being able to use Bitmojis, you can still use your classrooms. Just put yourselves in there. I mean, who's better than you? Nobody, right? I hope this video helped all of you. Please like it if it like this video if it helped you out. You know, subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell. You definitely don't want to miss my future videos. Take care, guys.